Hi, hope you guys doing well. The wait is over. They finally announced the wages subsidy, and it's a bit complicated. So I'm going to take it slow and explain how it's going to work. And also, they announced another business resurgence, which is very similar to the old one that we had before. So the application is open from tomorrow, 4th of March at 1 p.m. It's going to be available in Work and Income website, same as last time. The criteria to be eligible for wages subsidy, it's a bit tricky. So the period that you have to calculate is any 14 days from 28th of February, which is last week, to the 21st of March, 28th of February to 21st of March. Obviously, from 28th of February is not 14 days as yet. So you have to be very careful, even though the application is open. You have to make sure that for this period of 14 days from 28 for the 2 weeks time, you would have 40% drop, 40%. So don't get confused again. Business Resurgent had 30% drop. This has got 40% drop. So you have to have 40% drop for a 14 days period, anywhere between 28th of February and 21st of March. The good news is that can be a week from 28 for 2 weeks or anything after that. So any 14 days you can pick between this period. And then you have to compare that with any 14 days period between 4th of January to 14th of February. So that's 4th of January, 14th of February, which 14th of February was the first lockdown. So 4th of January to 14th of February. So that gives you the full 6 weeks. So they compared for that 6 weeks, very similar to the business resurgence that they've done that. And if you had 40% drop, you can apply. So be very careful. So as I say, because 28th of February was last week, you have to be very sure. So if you close down, I think you should be able to apply tomorrow. So make sure that you're going to have 40% drop before you start the application. If you're not sure, just wait a bit because the application is not going to close. You can apply after 14 days and you can have a look at the account and see how it works. So the payment is similar to the last time, $585.80 for the full-time employee and $350 for the part-time employee. So that means less than 20 hours per week. The application, as I mentioned, is through Work and Income, and the business resurgence is through RD. So if you applied for the business resurgence for the last time, they have another one for this week, which is very similar to that. You can apply for both of them. So if you applied for the last one, you can apply for this one as well. You have to have a drop of 30% in a period, in a 1 week period after 28th of February, and compared with the last 6 weeks, like before. And if that 30% drop is there, you're eligible to apply again. And exactly the same application process. If you applied last time, you can apply for this time. It's $1,500 for the business and $400 for each employee. And if you're a sole trader, you can apply for the $1,900. So the businesses that they should look at this: hospitality, tourism, gyms, hairdressers in Auckland, because level 3. So any of those who closed down, most probably going to be eligible. If you're not sure, have a chat with us. If again you want to wait a little bit, and make sure that you have the drop. And if you have any question, feel free to reach out to support@wiseadvice.co.nz. I want to take that opportunity. If you see that you're stressed and you need some help and you need to talk to somebody, we are here for you. And also, if you're a customer of Xero, Xero has got a mental support, and you can call them for you and your family. I know it's a stressful time and it's getting a bit irritating for the lockdowns after lockdown, and having that uncertainty and your business is hard. So feel for you guys, and feel free to reach out, and hopefully we can help you there. Thank you. Take care and keep safe.